Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making veg fish fry. Raw banana 2, peel the skin, water, add salt, cut into thick slices. If you guys want perfect fish shape, cut like this, optional. Salt, pepper 1 tablespoon, red chili flakes 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Oil for frying. Fry on medium heat for 5 minutes or until changes color. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.